Hey everybody, Corn-Fed Lady here, and today we're doing the bird shuffle. Now this video is actually going to take place over the course of a few days, but I'm compiling it all into one video for you today. So enjoy! So what is a bird shuffle? Well, in our case this time, we need to move these older hens out with the new flock so that we can bring the new turkeys into this hoop coop. So let me give you a little background first on what's been going on. So about 3 months ago, we incubated 17 chicks in hopes of getting some new laying hens. Now, of course, most of those 17 chicks were roosters, which means that they're going to need to be cold and sent to freezer camp. One of these roosters was actually rehomed to a friend of ours down the road who needed one for his flock of hens. And then we had to send the other 9 roosters to freezer camp. Now, of course, the next morning we saw 2 more baby chickens crowing. So apparently we missed a couple, so we had to send those to freezer camp a little bit afterwards. And just over a month ago, we got turkeys. We've been keeping them in the house in a brooder, but they're big enough to move outside now. What are you doing in here? No! Tom, don't do that to Bluey. No, stop. But first, we're going to have to move the rest of these chickens out of the hoop coop.
Coming out?
It's okay, you can come out.
Opal, be nice.
Be nice, Oaks. Here comes Blondie. Oh. Oh, Aggie.
No, you don't come in there. No, you're not coming in. They're
Be
coming
nice,
out.
Aggie.
If they want. Nobody's
I
going
think they
in there
want you after that.
Nobody's going in there with them except for me. No. Opal, Opal.
couple are sharing and their friends. There you go, double F. Okay, that didn't really go as planned. So apparently we're gonna have to leave these hens in the hoop coop for now, which means we're gonna have to figure out something different to do with the turkeys because they've got to get out of that little brooder in our house. What do you think? Guys doing okay in there? You like your new brooder? That one's bluey. Well, I guess that's all for today. Things don't always go as planned here on the homestead, but it's good to always have a backup. Y'all have a good one. See you next time. Bye.